Hello and good morning. We're in week 5. Today is Thursday, and this should be on the back. Put your name, date, and period. And you have $5,000 was the balance after 2 years semi-annually. Let's take a look. Find the initial investment. So you're looking for P. So you're going to put 5,000, which is how much you made, equals your principal, which we don't know. We're looking for that. Plus the rate, 1 plus 0.05. Semi-annually is 2. So that's twice a year, and the time is 2 years. Okay, so semi-annually and twice a year. So let's work this out. So what you're going to have is 0.05 divided by 2. And when you add 1, you're going to get 1.025 to the 4th power. So to figure out this answer, you're going to have to divide by whatever the heck this is. So you really have to go 4 times. So 1.025 times 1.025, that's 2, times 1.025, 3, and that makes 4. Okay, so we're going to take 1.10, so 5,000 divided by 1.10. I believe that was right. So you invested $4,500. Now, just double check my work. I don't really like using this little calculator. I would use a more sophisticated one that has an X to the N key. But what you need to know here is you do have to divide whatever this is. So 5,000 divided by that. You work for today, and this is for periods 1 through 6. I'll give you in a minute. But we're going to watch a video on arithmetic sequences, and then your work is right here. Make sure you paraphrase the question. You don't have to write it word for word, but I do want to see something. All right, let's turn our attention now to 7th period. And in 7th period, we're in week 5, just like the other classes. Put your name, date, and period. And right here, I want you to put the date. Today is 15th. Let's figure out distance. Well, distance is going to be x minus x. So -2, the first one, and the first one. And then the second one, and then the second one. So this is a plus. 5 and minus 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. This is a plus, so that's 2, and 2 squared is 4, so I get the square root of 13. And we're done. To find midpoint, well, midpoint you got to add up your x's. So the x's are the first, so that's going to be a -7 divided by 2. That's a -10 divided by 2 is a -5, and that's the midpoint. All right, your work for today is right here. Make sure you show all of your work and copy the problems to get credit, okay? Give me some good work, and I'll do my best to give you a good grade. Have a good morning.